This is how you can start meditating. Step 1, grab your phones, grab your earbuds, and throw on some relaxing music. Step 2, find a comfortable place where you can sit or lie down. Step 3, set a timer. It can be as little as 1 minute, but ideally, you want to be going for 10. That's all it takes to completely change your life. Step 4, with your eyes open, you want to take 3 to 5 big, deep breaths in through your nose and into your stomach. Once you've completely filled up your lungs, you want to try and take a second inhale, squeezing in just a little bit more air into your lungs. Then you want to hold that for about 5 seconds, and then after 5 seconds, slowly exhaling through your mouth, completely emptying your lungs. As you exhale, allow your entire body to just relax. Untense your muscles, your face, and really just settle into your seat and feel the pull of gravity. Step 5, gently close your eyes and settle further into your seat. Step 6, allow your breath to return to normal. Step 7, you want to gently scan down your body from head to toe. Imagine that there's just a laser beam slowly going down your body. While scanning through your body, you want to notice how you feel physically and emotionally. What parts of your body feel tense? Is there any little movement that you can do to feel more comfortable? How's your mood today? Are you feeling anxious, tired, restless, angry? Step 8, focus all of your attention onto the sensation of breathing. Feel the air coming into your nostrils and into your lungs. Feel where your body is expanding. Notice the little pauses in between your inhales and your exhales. Feel the warm air coming out of your nostrils as you exhale. The point is that you want to become aware of all the little things while you're breathing. Step 9, whenever you get lost in thought, which will happen by the way, simply acknowledge it and then mentally say to yourself, thinking. Saying the word thinking allows you to notice that you were actually lost in thought. You start to label the thought instead of associating with it. Please make sure you're not beating yourself up for the amount of times you're gonna get lost in thought. Some days, your mind is just gonna be super busy and it's gonna be hard to focus on your breath, especially when you're first starting. The average person has 60,000 thoughts a day. That's about 2,500 thoughts an hour and 41 thoughts a minute. The more you meditate, the more you're gonna realize that the mind is a super busy place. And a good metaphor for the mind is that it's like the sky. Someday there's gonna be more clouds in the sky than others. But what we want to do is make sure we're watching those clouds pass by. And that's really what the essence of meditation is. Step 10 is to simply just repeat this process of noticing when you are thinking and returning back to your breath. And step 11 is to make this a daily habit. Commit yourself to doing this just 10 minutes a day. Now, just like the gym, you're not going to notice a ton of benefits immediately. It's something that you need to stick with. But after a couple weeks, you're gonna suddenly realize, why do I feel so calm all of a sudden? Why do I feel like I can focus on things better? Why do I feel less anxious and less stressed? It's crazy how something as simple as just focusing on your breath can make such a big difference. I promise you, if you commit to doing this 10 minutes a day, it will completely transform your entire life. I highly recommend doing this at the beginning of your day, so it really just sets the tone for the rest of it. I highly recommend, especially when you're first starting out, to experiment with guided meditations. You can certainly go on YouTube for them, but you can also just download some apps. I highly recommend checking out Waking Up, Headspace, and Calm. Just get free trials for all of them. It's good to get different perspectives so you can really get a deeper understanding of meditation. My favorite is the Waking Up app because it gives you the best understanding of what meditation is, but also throws in some wisdom and philosophical ideas in there. And this kind of meditation is called a mindfulness meditation. It's the most basic one, and there are so many kinds of meditations out there. And as you get more familiar with meditating, you can start experimenting with different kinds of meditations. Ones like Yoga Nidra, Third Eye, Loving Kindness, Transcendental, Affirmational, or even a walking meditation. And you can also start increasing the time to 15, 20, 30, even 60 minutes. What meditation really allows you to do is practice practice not being lost in thought and staying in the present moment. So ideally, you want to be meditating all the time and staying in the present moment, which might not make sense to you right now, but as you get more familiar with it, it will make more sense. There's so many benefits to just this one habit of just sitting down for 10 minutes and just focusing on your breath. It sounds so simple, but it will change your entire life. And if you want to learn more about all of the benefits to meditating, you can click on this video right over here where I talk about everything that I've learned from meditating for 2 years. But that's all from me, and remember to stay curious and aware. Peace.